Okay, first attempt at,
We got the right spot.
we did? Okay, good. Yeah, first attempt at, taking apart our Xbox 360. So far, I think we're doing pretty good.
Okay, now do the same thing on the other side.
Hence, we're getting instructions from YouTube.
You're gonna post this on YouTube, huh?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah.
Okay, we're doing exactly what the same thing we did the other side.
Or attempting to, at least.
Yeah, so if anybody's
It's a
having any
lot harder.
questions about that, you know, just...
Here we go, here we go.
There's these little white things in there, you gotta, I guess, push them up.
No, you push down on them.
Push down on them, yeah.
And then kind of like flick them up until you hear something break. And then you know you done it.
Perfect.
That was a joke.
Yeah.
Because I just heard something crack and I'm not 100% sure what it was.
Well, it's an Xbox 360. What would you expect it would be?
Yeah, it's a piece of junk. I'm just going to end up ripping this out by the end of this. I think it matters. You really don't need these.
Yeah. Oh, actually, no, you don't need that piece.
No, they're just, it's cover. Okay, the real question is exactly how many people are going to try to attempt this once they see this?
That's gonna be so funny. It's like 400 people.
Like 4,000 views in the first minute of doing this. Okay, that's it. Jackass.
This concludes part 1.
No, wait.
Yeah, part 1's done. We'll check part 2 later.